Hello everyone! How are you today? I hope all of you doing great at home, yeah? Okay, today we meet again in science class. But today we talk about in this new unit, in unit 8, we talk about the solar system. Okay, from this picture, what do you know about the solar system? Okay, we continue, yeah? To know what the solar system is. Next, in this unit, I want you to learn this. Describe the Sun, Earth, and Moon as part of the solar system. And then identify the role of the Sun in the solar system. We will describe one by one from the Sun, Earth, and Moon first. The Earth in our solar system. Our planet called Earth. We live in Earth. Next, question. Now, I have two questions. One, what do you remember about our Earth in space? And the second, what do you remember about the Sun and the Moon? Okay, keep your answer and then we will continue with the next slide to answer this question. There are billions of stars in space. Stars are balls of flaming hot gases. The Sun is the closest star to our planet, Earth. The Earth and other planets move around the Sun. We call the Sun and planets around it the solar system. The Sun is the source of heat and light energy that makes life on Earth possible. Like this. You learn this in primary 1 and primary 2. So I just remind you what the Earth in solar system. This is the solar system. We have the Sun and other planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Next. How fast can you say the names of all the planets is the correct order? Okay, let's do it together. In the first position, we have Sun. Good job. And then following by the other planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, next. The Sun. Our Sun is a star. So the Sun is star in our planet, Earth. At night, your side of the Earth faces away from the Sun, so it is dark. But at day, your side of the Earth faces out from the Sun or faces, yeah? So it is bright. Next, this is when you can see stars in the sky. Stars like copies of the Sun, but they are so far away that they look very small. Next, question. 1. Do you think the Sun is big or small? The Sun is star. And then, so why do other stars in the night sky look so much smaller than sun? Okay, keep your question. The moon. Next we go to the moon. The moon looks like the biggest object in the sky. But the moon is much smaller than the earth. The surface of the moon is made of rock like the earth. But the moon has no wind, no clouds, and no air. The moon also does not have water like the earth does. Next, the surface of the moon. You can see in this picture. Look at this picture of the surface of the moon. Now think about the earth. This is the moon, the surface of the moon, and it's called earth. I have question. How are the moon pictures different from the earth? And then, can plants and animals live on the moon? Why or why not? Okay, I have this answer. The differences between the moon and the earth. The moon is a bit more than 1/4 or 27% the size of earth. A much smaller ratio, 1:4, than any other planets and their moons. Earth moon is the 5th largest moon in the solar system. The moon's mean radius is 1.079.6 miles or 1.737.5 kilometers. And next, because the conditions are completely hostile to plants, lack of air to supply carbon dioxide, lack of water, and the temperatures either for too hot or sun side or cold or dark side means that plants cannot grow there. Another problem is that the lunar soil does not have the soil microbes and bits of organic matter mixed in the plants need to flourish. But nowadays, all of this does not mean plants will never grow on the moon. Okay, after you learn about the sun, earth, and the moon, I have homework for you. Number 1, do the exercise page 150 and 152. Directly do it in your science book. And then take a photo of your work. Do it correctly, not blur photos. And then submit it to Google Classroom. Okay? I have the deadline of your work, so you can see in Google Classroom. Okay? That's all for our meeting and the session of this science class. And then see you on the next week's. Bye-bye!